Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. That's right, folks, we're comparing the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the Lefant M210 Pro. So, grab some popcorn and let's see which one of these robo-helpers will become the new overlord of your living room. Let's start with the most obvious category, price. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus costs a whopping $869. Meanwhile, the Lefant M210 Pro comes in at a modest $209. For that price, you could get a nice dinner for two and still have enough left over for dessert. Reviewers highlight that the Lefant is a great budget-friendly option, making it a strong contender in this category. But hey, it's not all about the money, right? Let's talk cleaning power. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts a monstrous 4,200 pascals suction power. It's like a black hole for dust and pet hair. Seriously, it might just suck up your cat if you're not careful. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro claims to have a unique suction mouth that's pet hair's worst nightmare. Reviewers have praised the Lefant for its effectiveness in picking up dog hair without needing to clean a brush roll, while others have noted the Roborock's powerful suction and efficient cleaning. Both vacuums have received positive feedback for their cleaning capabilities, especially from pet owners. Now, let's talk brains. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus comes with PresaSense LiDAR navigation, which means it's basically the Einstein of robot vacuums. It creates precise maps of your home and can even be viewed in 3D. The Lefant M210 Pro, on the other hand, keeps things simple but effective with 4 cleaning modes and FreeMove 3.0 technology. It's got smart app and voice controls, so you can tell it to start cleaning while you're lounging on the couch eating chips. Reviewers have appreciated the Roborock's advanced navigation and mapping features, while others have found the Lefant's simplicity and effectiveness sufficient for their needs. When it comes to dust and water capacity, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus has a combined dustbin and water tank, which means you can vacuum and mop at the same time. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning. The Lefant M210 Pro, with its smaller design, doesn't have as much capacity but makes up for it with its agility. Reviewers have noted that the Roborock's combined functionality is a major plus, while others have appreciated the Lefant's compact design for fitting into tight spaces. Lastly, let's talk about runtime. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus can run for up to 180 minutes on a single charge. That's 3 hours of non-stop cleaning. The Lefant M210 Pro doesn't specify its battery life, but with its efficient cleaning modes, it gets the job done without breaking a sweat. Reviewers have praised the Roborock for its long battery life, while others have found the Lefant's runtime sufficient for their cleaning needs. Both the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the Lefant M210 Pro have received positive reviews from users. The Roborock is praised for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and combined vacuuming and mopping capabilities. However, it comes at a high price point. The Lefant is celebrated for its affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness in picking up pet hair, though it lacks some of the advanced features of the Roborock. So there you have it, folks. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus is the luxury yacht of robot vacuums, packed with features and a price tag to match. The Lefant M210 Pro is the budget-friendly speedboat, nimble and effective without emptying your bank account. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.